Should you shave your chin when growing a beard? Perhaps you've had a beard for some time now, and you're looking for the best ways to groom and maintain it. Growing a beard comes with asking and finding answers to so many questions. This will help you to avoid making mistakes and watching your months of hard work go down the drain when you do things wrong. So, if you are wondering if you should shave your chin while growing your beard, here is your answer. It depends on how long your facial hair is. It looks awful to have a full beard on your cheeks when you have a shaved chin. If you've been making the mistake of shaving your chin while leaving the beard on your cheeks, you need to stop. Leaving your beard to go wild and untamed will also make you look unattractive. In the following video, you will find out how to keep your facial hair looking cool and well kept, as well as which mistakes to avoid when keeping a beard. And by the way, if you want more videos like this one, show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Should you start shaving immediately after noticing facial hairs? You don't have to start shaving immediately after your facial hairs start growing. In fact, shaving might only become necessary until after a few years and the hair that grows is not vigorous. When you should begin shaving depends on how full your facial hair is, how it makes you feel, and what style you are trying to achieve. The number of times you should shave per week or month depends on your beard growth. Some people may need to shave every 3 days, while others may be able to delay it for weeks at a time. Your beard will become heavier and more coarse as you grow older, and so you may need to shave more often as you age. Should you shave your chin when growing a beard? As we previously mentioned, generally, the answer is no. However, really it is up to you. It depends on some factors such as your rate of beard growth, how thick your beard is, and your face shape. That being said, you shouldn't completely shave off all the hair on your chin no matter what your face shape is. It is not much in fashion these days. So many men do things wrong when it comes to defining and styling their beards. A major mistake you can avoid when shaving is trimming too high up the neck. Making this mistake might make you look like your beard is disproportionately small for your face. There are many ways you can play with your beard shape while shaving the right way, but the standard method is to leave the beard on your chin longer while you trim the beard on the side of your face a bit shorter. A 4 or 5 setting on your trimmer is ideal for your goatee area, while the number 3 setting should be for the temples. The mustache should be kept as short as the beard on your cheeks, and never hang over your lip into your mouth. 5 common beard grooming mistakes to avoid. If you already have a great beard, you will probably want to maintain it and avoid making mistakes. In this section, you learn some common mistakes to avoid when grooming your beard. 1. Avoid shaving too high of a neckline. I've seen many men shave their chin wrong over and over. Learn how to shave the right way. The right way to shave is to shave above your Adam's apple while looking straight ahead. If you've already made the mistake of shaving your beard too high up your neck, or you don't have much hair under your chin, consider trimming the beard on your cheeks to a shorter length to make your neckline more visible. 2. Avoid shaving/trimming without care. Sometimes we feel we are already used to shaving our beards, and because of our comfort with it, we might sometimes rush the process. You may want to have a quick trim, and because of your haste, carelessly take a chunk out of your beard. Perhaps you've seen your barber give you the perfect beard trim, and you think it's easy. Well, it is not as easy as it looks. When shaving or trimming, ensure you take it slow and concentrate on the process. Beard care is an art. Treat your face like a priceless canvas. 3. Avoid to grow wild and uneven. Some people believe that they will have long, attractive beards when they let their beard grow out without trimming or touching it. Sadly, this isn't true. Your beard is precious and it needs to be nurtured regularly. Ensure your beard is well conditioned and trim any stray hairs that are unruly. Trimming won't stunt your beard growth or make your beard look thinner, as you may think. On the contrary, it makes your beard appear denser and less shabby. The scraggly hairs will look thicker too, as they will be shorter and better hidden among the other beard hairs. As you continue clipping your beard regularly, you ensure that the hairs grow uniformly. 4. Avoid keeping a dirty beard. The same treatment you give to your head hair is what you should give to your beard hair. In fact, you should likely treat your beard with even more care. The beard can quickly get dirty, absorb smells, and trap food and drink residues. All this and more can make the beard have a foul odor if not cleaned properly. If you want to keep a beard, endeavor to wash it properly. You can make use of some beard products such as the Bossman Beard Oil and the Honest Amish Classic Beard Oil to ensure your beard smells nice, looks luscious, and is less frizzy. These products will contribute to grooming a healthy beard. Trust me, good beard oil is worth investing in. 5. Avoid using the incorrect clipper setting. If you woke up one morning and in a sleepy haze, you started using your clippers without checking the settings, then you aren't alone. Many of us have made this mistake and have learned this lesson the hard way. All of a sudden, a quick tiny trim turned into a big beard shortening error. This shouldn't be a problem for you if you are used to using the same setting regularly and are the sole user of the clipper. If you live with other people and share a clipper with them, you might want to double check to be sure you have the right setting each time you use it. If the clipper was left at number 1 and you didn't check before using it, you will be shaving off all your beard. You wouldn't want that to happen, so always check that the clipper is on the right setting before every use. If you are looking for a great trimmer that won't fail you, the Philips Norelco trimmer is one to rely on. It's a multifunctional trimmer that comes with 23 pieces and delivers up to 5 hours of runtime on each charge. Shave your beard the right way with these methods. There are several methods you can use to trim or shave your beard. I've tried and tested many of these methods and will share the ones I particularly like. Here are 2 of my favorite methods of shaving. You can try any of these methods to ensure you shave the right way and have a good looking beard. 2 fingers method. This is a very accurate method if you are careful, although it can sometimes be inaccurate because people's fingers vary in widths, and necks vary in length. Despite this, it remains a very helpful method if you pay attention and are careful. Start by stacking your index and middle fingers above your Adam's apple. Above that should be your neckline. Start by shaving hair that's below it. Note, it depends on where your Adam's apple is resting and the width of your fingers. It may be 3 fingers for some people while it's 2 for you, or vice versa. Double chin method. This is a very simple one. You can start by tilting your chin down towards your neck. It should form a double chin now by creating a natural fold in where it meets the neck. When it does, tuck your finger into the crease and then raise your chin up while keeping your finger in place. Now, shave off the hair that's below your finger. This method is highly recommended for ensuring your neckline is shaved at the proper spot. 3-step method. Apart from the shaving methods I've explained above, I also use a 3-step method to shave the right way. The next section will explain how it's done. Step 1. Start by imagining a slightly curved line from behind your earlobes to under your jawline. This curved line should stop at where your neck meets under your jaw down below your chin. Your neckline is the line closest to the top of your Adam's apple. You can also visualize this by tilting your chin down. By doing this, a natural crease should show itself where your chin's underside meets with the top of your neck. Step 2. The next step is to imagine you have 2 vertical lines on each side of your face running perpendicularly to each other, following the outer edge of your sideburns, all the way down to your neckline. This should create the corners of your neckline, under your ears and jawline. These corners should be rounded off to give you a more natural look. Step 3. Lastly, you should shave off the hairs underneath your neckline completely, and that's it. Conclusion. Following some rules and guidelines comes with growing a beard, and you should follow them to ensure maximum success. These rules should be followed carefully to avoid making mistakes or allowing your hard work to go to waste. Avoid shaving your chin. It is not in style right now. Shave only to the proper neckline, and make sure your beard is not messy or dirty. Taking care of your beard is important. It's not just the hair on your head that deserves your attention. Your beard needs attention too, and if you take care of it properly, and trim it just right, you will be proud of the result from your hard work. If you are having trouble growing a beard, then it is important for you to know the actual truth about the biggest beard growing myths. Therefore, check out the first link in the description below this video and grab your free copy of the 7 biggest beard growing myths that you probably still believe in and what you can do to grow a beard faster now. Thanks for watching.